Hello, everyone, and a massive welcome to all our Year 3 viewers. We've got a really fantastic explainer lined up for you today. So, let me ask you right off the bat, are you ready to unlock our brand new math superpower? Because that's exactly what we're going to do today.
Okay, let's dive right into this secret trick. It's going to make you faster at adding than you ever thought possible. You know, sometimes math can look like this giant, impossible mountain of numbers, but if you know the right tricks, you can literally just fly right over it.
Now, to get this superpower, we need to learn a special top secret password. Are you ready? Lean in a bit. It's commutative. Try saying that out loud with me. Commutative. I know, it sounds like a big, complicated word, but it actually just means you have the power to move numbers around. You can add them in any order you want to make the math easier for yourself. And the absolute best part, you're going to get the exact same total no matter what.
Section 1. Superpower Activation. Look for clues. All right, now that we know our secret password, go ahead and put on your math detective hats because we're going hunting for some number clues to activate this power.
Just look at all these colorful buses parked side by side. Each one has a number right on the front showing exactly how many people went on an outing. Imagine trying to add all those up in your head. I want you to shout out how you would normally add up all the people on these buses. Would you just go left to right? Because, wow, that might take a while.
Let's just pause for a second. Look really closely at the numbers on the front of those buses. We've got 22, 30, 55, 18, 70, and another 55. Do you spot any numbers that look alike? Anything jumping out at you?
Yes, we have two buses that both have 55 people on them. Putting doubles together, like those two 55s, is a massive shortcut. Adding doubles is something we practice all the time, right? So spotting them in a long list of numbers instantly makes your job as a math detective so much easier.
So the real secret here is that we absolutely don't have to add things in the exact order they're written down. Let's look at this quick example. 75 plus 34 plus 25. Doing that in order is pretty tricky, but if we use our commutative superpower, we can just slide those numbers around. We can reorder them to be 75 plus 25 plus 34. We pull that 75 and 25 together first.
And this brilliantly illustrates our next big clue. Always look for complements. Complements are basically friendly numbers that easily add up to a nice big perfect 10, or in this case, 100. 75 plus 25 makes 100. Once you have a beautiful round 100, adding that leftover 34 is a total breeze. It's just 134. Boom, superpower activated.
Section 2. Leveling Up. Games and Quizzes. Let's see how this builds when we play some fun games. Because, let's be real, what good is a superpower if you don't take it out for a spin?
Check out this table showing the points 3 different teams scored in a quiz during their outing. We've got Team A, Team B, and Team C, and they each played 3 rounds. If you were the scorekeeper and tried adding these normally, going straight across row by row, well, it would take forever, right?
I'm challenging all of you math detectives to use your new commutative superpower right now. Look at the rows for Team A, Team B, and Team C. Can you quickly find the easiest numbers to squish together to figure out who won?
All right, let's reveal those shortcuts. If you looked at Team A and immediately spotted the 81 and the 19, fantastic job. Those are complements that make a perfect 100, leaving just the 20 to add on. And for Team B, you spotted the doubles, didn't you? 45 plus 45 is 90, making it super simple to add the 31. You guys are becoming incredible math detectives.
Now, let's check out these amazing spinners. Imagine flicking a paperclip on these. Every single spin gives us 3 new numbers to add together. But remember our golden rule. We order the numbers first. We do not let the spinner tell us what order to add in. We use our commutative superpower to take total control. Let's focus on spinner B. Say you spin and land on 50, then 60, and then 40. Shout it out loud right now. Which 2 numbers from spinner B would you add together first to make your math super easy?
You guessed it. You'd absolutely group the 60 and the 40 together because they're best friends that make a perfect 100. Once you've got that 100, you literally just drop the 50 on top to get a final score of 150. Easy peasy.
Section 3. Real-world mission. The gift shop. All right, detectives, for our final mission today, we're taking our math superpowers out of the classroom and going on a shopping spree at the gift shop.
Check out this awesome price list from the shop. We've got pencils for 30 cents, pens for 50 cents, postcards for 60 cents, rulers, badges, magnets, and even a flag for 75 cents. So many cool items.
Let's pretend you want to buy 3 things: a flag for 75 cents, a magnet for 40 cents, and a really beautiful postcard for 60 cents. If you're standing right there at the cash register, how would you rearrange 75, 40, and 60 to add them up lightning fast before the cashier even blinks?
Exactly. By grouping the 40-cent magnet and the 60-cent postcard together first, you make 100 cents right away. And once you have that solid 100, adding that 75-cent flag becomes a total piece of cake. Your total is 175 cents. You're basically a human calculator now.
Let's try one more brain teaser here. Imagine a boy named Anne visits the shop. He reaches into his pocket and pulls out exactly 200 cents.
We need to play detective one last time. Think back to those gift shop prices. Do you think Anne can find a clever combination of 4 different items that stays under his 200-cent budget?
Let's walk through a quick example. If we mix and match some of the smaller numbers, we can totally pull this off. Let's grab a ruler for 20 cents and a magnet for 40 cents, that's 60 cents. Then add a pencil for 30 cents and a badge for 25 cents, that's 55 cents. Well, 60 plus 55 is just 115 cents. So yes, he absolutely can buy 4 items and still have change left over for a snack. I just want to take a quick second to congratulate all of you on mastering your new superpower. Remember, whether it's scores on a quiz, numbers on a spinner, or prices in a gift shop, you are the boss. You control the numbers do not control you. You can rearrange them any way you like using the commutative property.
So I'm going to leave you with this final challenge today. As soon as this explainer is over, I want you to go find a partner, a friend, or a parent, and explain to them exactly why changing the order of numbers is the greatest math trick ever. Teach them to look for doubles and perfect 100s. Pass your superpower on. Thanks for learning with me today, and keep being math superheroes.